Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AI agents review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called AI agents. So this is an AI agents review. Right now we are on the sales page and then we have the demo video which is for 6 minutes long. So we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says, meet the big daddy of ChatGPT. Next gen AI automations is reality now. Create websites, videos, voiceovers, art, images, social post, ad copies, emails, content, blogs, business plan, marketing plan, idea generator, lead generator, marketeer. I'm done actually. This is one of those software I am least interested to talk about, okay, because this can't be explained. So if you want to come to the sales page to watch the demo video, you will find the link below my YouTube video in the description. It will be saying grab AI agents, copy here, click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you have to come and click on this button to watch the demo video for like 6 minutes, because without watching the demo video you will understand nothing, okay? So let's cut the crap and let's get to the bottom of the sales page so that we can see the demo video or the glimpses of it. And by the way, all of this has got nothing to do with making money. And I lost my interest when I started watching the demo video. It was making no sense to me. So I am out of these things. I stay away from these things far. So there's a coupon code AI agents 20. So I guess you can get some $20 off. So you can buy this in $27, I believe. What is the purpose of this app? This app is a powerful tool. So you can read everything in your own time, because I told you already I have lost interest. So come on the sales page and do whatever you like, okay? So let's get to the demo video here. And as I said, you will find the demo video on the sales page. So when you come to the sales page, watch the video. But here I'm gonna show you some glimpses by muting the video. So there you go. So here I don't know what they're doing. What's this? Create some agent and then create some project. You can write some Facebook ad copy, can generate some blog content. You see here all of that, okay? So handle this on your own, and then you can have some community. It's not something which is getting inside my stomach, okay? I'm not able to digest it, so maybe because I don't care about any of these, so maybe it's useful to you, I don't know, okay? So go and watch the demo video. If you feel like you want to buy this, then go and buy from the link below, okay? But if you are here only to make money online, none of this will make you money, okay? So if your goal is only to make money online, then watch the video till the end. And there are some OTOs here. You can see AI agents, blah, blah, blah. These are the details. So this is the front end, 67. Maybe somewhere it shows 47, and then you have a discount of $20, so it should be 27. So only God knows what will be the price when this goes live tomorrow, okay? So these are the OTOs and these are the features. So this is front end, and this is OTO 1, price missing, OTO 2, price missing, OTO 3, price missing, OTO 4, price missing, OTO 5, price missing. So those prices are right here, okay? Do the needful, do whatever you like, as if I care. So what do we have here? AI agents did not make sense to me. I lost interest as soon as I saw the demo video. Do whatever you want to, because I am only recording the video for the sake of my review. Why am only doing the review for the sake of making my video? Because as soon you see my video, you have seen some ads. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. And making money does not mean you have to buy. Making money means you have to sell. How do you sell? If you want to sell for free, come and make YouTube videos. Other people will buy from you. You will get a sale. If you follow me, you will make money on YouTube without even selling anything. More details I'll talk about. I talk a lot. For now, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Press the bell notification. All of this is free. Okay, do that. Now, there are some links below my video. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is what? Forex trading is this. Buy low, sell high. Buy high, sell low. It works both ways. But the catch is we do this on automation by using a software. I will explain in a moment. Make money with Traffic Jarvis here. Traffic Jarvis is all about doing what I'm doing on YouTube right now, making these videos, getting your YouTube channel monetized, and working manually on YouTube to do affiliate marketing, okay? These agents, these things I don't care about, okay? These things will come, these things will come and go, and they will come back again, okay? I don't give a shit about them. If you know buy, go and buy. I don't care, okay? If you are here only to make money online, as I said, subscribe, like, and check out these links and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.